Hello. Today we're going on a journey to learn about something we feel every day, temperature. First, think about what temperature means. Temperature is all about how hot or cold something is. But what is hot or cold? Well, everything is made up of tiny particles. When these particles are zooming around super fast, the temperature feels hot. And when they're just kind of moving slowly, the temperature feels cold. We can feel temperature with our skin. If a person touches a hot pan, the pan feels warm or even burning. If you're playing in the snow feels cool or freezing. But our skin can sometimes trick us. Have you ever jumped into a pool and the water feels cold at first, but then you get used to the water? That's why we need special tools to measure temperature. These tools are called thermometers. Thermometers are like rulers, but instead of measuring how long something is, they measure how hot or cold that something is. There are different kinds of thermometers. Some are digital and show the temperature as a number, and some have a special liquid inside. Let's look at how one of those liquid thermometers works. Inside, there's a liquid that changes when the temperature changes. When the temperature gets hot, the liquid particles move around more, they spread out, and the liquid moves up inside the thermometer. When the temperature gets cold, the liquid particles move around less, they move closer together, and the liquid moves downward. The numbers on the thermometer tell us exactly how far up or down the liquid goes, and that tells us the temperature. To make a reading using this type of thermometer, first observe the numbered marks on the device. For instance, in this thermometer, the numbered marks are 10 and 15 degrees Celsius. Next, find the value of each unnumbered mark. In this case, there are 5 spaces or increments between the 10 and the 15, so each unnumbered mark represents 1 degree Celsius. Kind of in your mind, place a number on each of those marks. Next, see which mark the liquid level best lines up with. So the temperature reading on this thermometer would be 11 degrees Celsius because the liquid level lines up closest with that 11 degree mark. Now, there are different ways to read temperature. It's like having different ways to measure the length of things, like measuring in inches or measuring in centimeters. We can use different scales for temperature. The two most common are Celsius and Fahrenheit. Celsius is used in most of the world. In Celsius, water freezes at 0 degrees and water boils at 100 degrees. Fahrenheit is the scale used in the United States. In Fahrenheit, water freezes at 32 degrees and the water boils at 212 degrees. So the numbers are different, but they both tell us how hot or cold something is. Temperature is super important in our lives. Temperature affects the weather, what clothes we wear, and what foods we eat. Temperature helps us cook our food, keeps our homes at just the right feeling, and even helps us stay healthy. Scientists use temperature to study everything around us, from tiny bugs to giant stars. So you see, temperature is all around us, and it's really important to understand. We use thermometers to measure temperature carefully. And remember, temperature is just a way of measuring how fast those little tiny particles are moving. The faster they move, the hotter it is. Thank you for watching.